How to fix Spotify Student Premium not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to walk you through some easy fixes to get your Spotify Student Premium up and running again. So let's just jump right into the video. So first thing first, let's make sure you are actually eligible for the Spotify Student Premium. So when you head over to the premium plans and open up the premium and look up for the student premium, you need to double check your payment details and your student verification and the country listed on your account. So if any of the information is incorrect and are out of date, your student premium may not be activated properly. And your Spotify student premium requires an annual re-verification. So if your verification has expired, you won't be able to use the student premium. So you can head to your account settings and check your plan section to see if your verification has expired. And if it has, you'll need to re-verify your student status through the Share ID or whichever verification service Spotify is using at the time. Otherwise, sometimes the issue may be the Spotify app itself. So it may be a bug or a temporary glitch in the app. So what you can do is completely shut down your Spotify application and go ahead and reopen it again and see if that is fixing your issue or not. Otherwise, then other simple fixes, you can just go ahead and log out and log in back into your account. That will help you refresh your session and resolve any issues with the Spotify Student Premium not activating. And sometimes even the outdated version of the app may be the issue, so you can head over to your available app store and see if your Spotify is up to date or not. So you can just go ahead and search for Spotify, hit the search and look for updates. If any kind of update is available, you can just go ahead and hit the update and it should update it. And after that, if you have tried everything and your Spotify Student Premium still is not working, you can go ahead and contact the support team of Spotify and they will be able to look in your account and fix any issues preventing your student premium from not working. So therefore, that is it. I hope these steps helped you get your Spotify student premium back working again. So if you have still questions or run into problems, you can let me in the comments and I will do my best to help you out. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.